Hi Devops engineers, welcome to Devops Wonder. In this video we are going to see about GitHub tutorial. We are going to see about Git branching strategies. So what is a branch? A branch is an essential feature which is created in the Git and the version control system. So it is allowing the developers to work on new features or bug fixes independently without affecting the main code base. Once that is done, we can merge it in the mainstream branch. Mainline trunk-based development. So the main branch is a single main or trunk branch where all changes are integrated. So this is a line which is from the starting to the end, and all the branches, the branches including features, bug fixes, experiments, everything will be merged to this main branch as quickly as possible. Once when the task is finished, it will be merged. As I told you in the previous slide, so the main branch is illustrated in green color. So the first main branch starts, and there is a feature created from that one that is shown in orange color, which is again merged to the main branch, and the main branch again continues. So another feature wish list is created from the second main branch, and then the main branch continues on the third phase. So this green dots indicates the main branch is has been carried out throughout the project, and all those migrations, future integrations, future creations, future branch creations, bug branch creations, everything will be happening at the main branch stage, and everything is again merged to that one. The first line between the main branch and the future branch indicates the code base which is taken from the main branch to the future, and the changes are done in the future branch, and then again it is merged to the main branch. That is the second dot. Likewise, it will go. Future branching. So this is the main concept in Git branching strategy. So main branch will be a stable main branch at this stage. Future branch, each feature is developed in its own branch. So this has been arising from the main branch, and the code changes, everything will be taken from the main branch, and the future will be in a new branch now. And once the future is completed and tested, the branch can be deleted, and all those changes will be migrated to the main branch. As I told you in the previous slide, so the main branch, the green dot is present as it is, and a future is arised from there. Okay, so then from that future, they are not migrating to the main branch on the next phase, but they are creating another future, and the first feature and the second feature are migrated. All those code changes are migrated to the mainstream branch and the third phase. Okay, so the third dot represents a third phase. All the changes are migrated to the third phase. They are not disturbing the second phase because it is a separate branch future which is created from the second phase of the main branch, which has its own changes, and it has another branch. This will be migrated later of the stage. So they don't want to mix up with the future auth with the future wish list. So it is separated here. Okay. Git flow. So Git main branch has two main branches. One is main, that is for releases, and another one is develop, that is for ongoing development. Okay. And supporting branches including future branches, so which is arising from the develop, which is arising from releases branches from develop, and hotfix branches from the main. As we saw in the previous thing, so we have a main branch which has a hotfix on the second phase, and it is merged to the main branch of the third phase. So from the first phase, of the main, developing a they are creating a future from the develop, and which is been a second parallel which is running parallel to the main phase. Okay, so that is the main branch phase, and they are creating future authentication from the development branch, and they are having another feature which has its own changes. All these code changes are again pushed to the develop branch. So this develop branch is separately running from the main branch. It has the basic concept, basic code base from the main branch. Apart from that, this develop is separately ongoing on a separate phase. Whenever needed, we can directly give release from this develop to the main branch when it is needed. Otherwise, it will be running as a separate concept. GitHub flows. We all know GitHub is one of the repository creator, so which is maintaining many repositories. The concept of main branch here is a single main branch where all code is deployed, and future branches, so developer can create future branches from main, and when a future is complete, they open a pull request for review before merging, and this again merge to the main branch. So we will have a single branch here, single main branch here. As we see in the previous demonstration, we see a developer branch that is running separately without merging to the main code base. So whenever the main code base merge is needed, they will do. Otherwise, they will be running this develop as a separate process. Main will be a separate process and develop will be a separate process. But in GitHub flow, develop phase will be different, but the develop phase will be again merged to the main branch on any one of the phases. That is the different here. So in GitHub, we have only one main branch. Okay, we can have lot of features, we can have lot of analytics, we can have lot of bug fixes. All those things will be merged to the main branch, and from the main branch only we can go for the releases. Okay. GitLab flow. So GitLab flow is similar to GitHub flow. They will also have a only one main branch, and in the environment branches they have additional branches can be used to manage different environment. For example, for staging we can have different environments. For production we can have uh, different environments. Okay, so we can have different branches here. Demonstration. So as we see, we have different branches for staging and production. So production branch is separately running, and it is getting code base migrations from the main branch. Staging or production both will have the code migration from the main branch, but the staging is separately running, production is separately running. Okay, main branch will be separately running. Whenever we are going for staging, we can use the staging branch. When we are going for the production, we can use a production branch. So that there will be no conflicts between these two. This will be running differently and this will be running differently. Okay, we could not able to disturb this main branch. Okay, so we can have multiple branches for this staging branch, production, development, like that. We can have multiple branches here, and we can have the code migration that is only needed. And future branches are as it is, we can create from the main branch and we can migrate to the main branch. From the main branch it will be migrated to the staging or production or to the any branches as we needed. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Devops Wonder, Devops for all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.